Hey guys, what's going on? So in this video I'm going to show you how to make this Origami Dental Pic. Yeah, it's really simple and it's my own design and I'm going to show you how to fold it. Alright, here goes. Okay, so for this model I'm going to use a 6-inch square of Origami, but you could use a sheet of printer paper cut square. So let's begin with the white side up and let's fold in half. Okay, unfold, and now make a kite base. Okay, rotate like this, and fold this flap up. Okay, and now open and stick it inside. Like that. Okay, and now fold the two edges to the middle again. Okay, and same here too. Alright, and now fold the model in half. Okay. And now, take this flap and just fold it just about like this. It doesn't really matter about that fold. And now fold this up. Let's zoom in a little bit more. Over the edge. Okay, unfold it. Make sure that's folded still. And now open the pocket. There's actually a couple layers there. There's a white pocket and there's a colored pocket. I don't really think it matters which pocket. Just open a pocket up and stick this flap inside. Like that. Alright. See? And that's what locks it right there. Alright, and now we're just about done. We just need to make the hook part. So this is really up to you. I'm gonna go probably about this far down. This is really to taste. But yeah, you can just make it maybe about like that. It just depends on the size of the hook, I think. So I'm making an outside reverse fold like this. And when you squash it, make sure this is like a 90-degree angle. Alright, and make another outside reverse fold right here to taste. Alright. And then an inside reverse fold right here. Alright. And this is all to taste. And once you did that, there is your Origami Dental Pic done. So yeah, it's a pretty cool model. Yep, open wide. So yeah, there it is. Well, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below, and I will see you guys later. Alright, bye-bye.